Hi everyone, it's Tammy. Sorry, and today we're going to make roasted chicken thighs in the oven. And I'm going to be using bone in, skin on, except for one piece, chicken thighs, some extra virgin olive oil, Mrs. Dash original blend, some of this everything but the bagel sesame, and some rustic herb seasoning that I got from Tastefully Simple, and then I have some carrots and some potatoes to add to it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I have my water on in the background so that I can have it when I touch my chicken. I have washed and dried with paper towel my chicken. So I have 3 thighs that have the skin on and 1 that does not. And I am just going to open up my olive oil with my clean hand and put just a little bit, that's probably way too much, of olive oil on my chicken. So now I'm just going to take this and just rub it around. I didn't even put any on this one because I had so much I used to that I don't think I'll need any more. And this rest of the oil that's on here will be fine for the veggies too, so I'll just kind of take my hand and yuck chicken, but that's okay. And I'm going to wash my hands now and I will be right back. And of course my dog needs to go potty, so stand by. Okay, so now that I have my chicken down there, I'm going to go ahead and put some vegetables on and the potatoes. So I'm going to, my husband and my son and I, so I'm just trying to eyeball about how many carrots we would use. That's probably enough. And I am using already cut baby carrots. And if you were using carrots that, you know, whole carrots, you'd want to cut those. And I probably want to cut my potatoes. I have these petite gold potatoes. They have been washed. And I'm just going to cut those. And the reason I'm adding those to the chicken, or right now before I put the spice on, is so that the spices will also get on these. And I won't need as many potatoes. My husband loves potatoes. My son likes them too, but I can't have any, so, or I don't want to have any. I don't know, that's probably enough, and then there might be enough for another meal in there if I stop now. So I'm not going to drench this again in some olive oil, although it wouldn't probably be a bad idea to, okay, I'm going to at least put a little bit of olive oil on the potatoes. Now I have a little olive oil container that's really nice to use in this kind of situation, and of course I don't have it filled, so I thought, well, I'll just do it this way, but sometimes you get a little heavy-handed, so I don't like to do that. Haven't opened this yet. It smells so good. I haven't had Mrs. Dash for a while, so I'm just adding Mrs. Dash to all of these, and my oven is preheated at 500 degrees, which I know sounds really high, but I tell you what, 500 for about 30 minutes, and these things will be wonderful. Just throwing on some of all the spices. And you could do the other side too. I just don't want to touch the chicken again. I think it's gross. So, there. We don't really eat anything on the other side anyway. So, my oven isn't quite preheated. It's at 460 degrees right now. So, let me show you what this looks like. Whoops. And it'll go in the oven for 30 minutes, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so it's just fresh out of the oven. It looks fabulous. I will dish it up and show you. Oh goodness, I just taped me trying it and I wasn't on, so let me get another little small bite. And it is so good. So I just have a little bit, I'm sure I won't be able to finish my chicken, but this is the one without the skin on it, and it is so good. I'm sure that if I tasted one with the skin on it, I would be able to tell the difference, but right now I can't. But, you know, this has the skin on it. This is for my husband, and it's super good, super easy. I hope you guys try it. It's also super cheap. Thanks. Bye-bye.